Than change in the market, change of your prospects, whether they get bought by another company or quit their job. So speed is everything, and we've learned when you increase the number of perspectives on a deal team, you increase your chance of solving the problem with one meeting. I'm showing you here the result of 186 use cases where we studied whether or not that meeting came up with a solution to the current problem with the deal. In other words, increased probability to solve complex issues. We found that when sales brings in a second perspective, say like marketing, you increase your chance of solving that sales problem by 50% and moving forward on the deal. When you bring in a third perspective, think of it as sales plus marketing plus customer service, you increase by 100% your chance to find the solution and move the deal forward. But here's what we learned. If you can find 4 perspectives, say it's an owner, a salesperson, someone in customer service, and maybe an inside champion of the prospect, those 4 unique perspectives increase your chance of finding the solution by 300%. And then, of course, the more people you add, the more it turns into what I like to call a goat rodeo and becomes very hard to manage. But the key to success then is to increase the number of perspectives sitting around the table.